Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from DOOGEE T10 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, choose Send on the left at the bottom of your DOOGEE and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, you need to scroll down and tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to DOOGEE. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top. Then pick all of your files from this category by selecting this dot at the top left corner, or just click on the chosen files. I will go with this one photo. Whatever you do, when you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then tap on While Using or Only this time and point your Android's camera at the code. If you don't want to do that, just tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers from T10. Lastly, tap on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!